So the grace of God is his undeserved favor bestowed on those he has called to salvation through his love, Ephesians 2, verses 4 to 5. It is his grace that saves us from sin. We are justified freely by his grace through the redemption that came by Jesus Christ, Romans 3, verses 24. Being justified, we are vindicated and determined to be sinless in the eyes of God. Our sin no longer separates us from him and no longer sentences us to hell. Grace is not earned by any effort on our part, otherwise it could not be called grace. Grace is free. If our good works earn salvation, then God would be obligated to pay us our due, right? But no one can earn heaven, and God's blessing are not his obligation. They flow from goodness and love. No matter how diligently we pursue works to earn God's favor, we will fail. Our sin trips us up every time. By the deeds of the law, no flesh will be justified in his sight, Romans 3, verses 20. It does not, however, give us license to sin and to think that we can just do as we please. Have a wonderful day. Cheers.